Okay, hi.
Hi.
Thanks for coming and helping today.
Well, thank you for having me.
You're welcome. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna have this conversation and I'm gonna go through the empowerment process with you. Are you grounded? Do you feel grounded?
Yeah, I'm coming. Feel like I'm here. I'm here. Yes, I know.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Do you have an opportunity for transformation in the sense that you might have a concern for something in your life?
Yes. Yeah. I feel like I'm unable to build a team
Or what?
for my purpose in life, for my business.
Okay, for your business.
Yeah.
Okay, we can be specific, I think it's
Okay.
fine. So if that's the case, what emotions come up regarding that for you? What's your response?
Irritation, anger, frustration, isolation, loneliness.
Ah.
Um.
Are you impatient for it? Or
Yes, I get a little impatient. Yeah, get a little impatient. Just like I just get turned off. Kind of like turned off with like certain people who like want to be a part of my team will tell me like, "Yo, I want to be a part of your team," and then like, or I want to do something for you, and it doesn't happen.
Oh,
So,
so there's a
So I'm kind of
disappointment?
Yeah, disappointed, resentful.
If these kinds of constrictions happen regarding the manifesting this
Mhm.
team for your business to support you,
Right.
yeah. How does this compromise the situation? But they're offering something.
Right. They're offering something and they don't deliver.
Oh, they don't deliver, right?
Yeah,
So,
or they like back out or something like that.
So, so others can't deliver. Now, let's talk about expectation. If others don't deliver, what are they promising you?
Do my videos, I do my social media management, so that I don't have to, worry
Okay,
about
so
it. I can
they're
have this-
promising the technical support.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so if there's disappointment and frustration and resentment, how would that affect other people?
I become cold, distant.
Uh-huh.
I'm still understanding because I understand.
But how does that affect other people?
People are afraid of me.
Okay.
People are afraid of me. It's crazy. People think I'm intense. I know I am intense, but I'm like a cool intense. I think.
Cool, intense,
I
that's
am a cool
like
intense.
the
Icy
opposite,
hot.
the complementary of
Yeah.
opposites, right?
Yeah.
Okay, afraid of the intense, so I understand this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do, and, so they're afraid of the intensity and they become afraid maybe to fulfill what they say they're going to fulfill, and then they back off because they can't touch the fire.
Yes.
Sort of that feeling.
Yes.
So this is what's manifesting instead of the team, support team.
Yes.
Good. What are your disempowering beliefs that keep you from building a team for your business?
People don't take it as serious as I do. Or maybe, like, I don't even want to put it on people. Like, then I get to the point where I don't want to put it on people and I look at it as myself. Like, people don't take me serious.
Okay. That's a belief.
I believe that. I believe
Okay.
that they don't take me serious enough. That I don't know how to manage a team.
Oh, wow.
The thing that I thought right after that was like, I don't know how to be a leader.
Mm-hmm.
I know that I'm supposed to be, but I haven't been necessarily shown how to be, or I don't think I.
So I need someone to show me how. I need to study more on my own? Is that something?
Yeah. Like
It is?
Yeah. Like I that's what I'd like to do.
Okay. On my own.
Yeah.
To
become a better leader, to
Okay.
become a better team member,
a better, okay.
team captain, communicator.
Leader, communicator, team member. I like that you said that.
Yeah.
Because a good leader is a good team member too.
Exactly. I need a team that's gonna work harder than me.
Really?
I need a team that's gonna work as hard or harder than me.
Wow. I'd like to address an unresolved need for you. And you can go back as young as you want to regarding this, because an unresolved need is something that you're looking for your whole life, kind of.
Right.
And it does relate to building a team for your business. It also relates obviously to support and
Right.
success and stuff.
Right.
Okay.
Maybe I'm 6, I'm 7. I don't know. I'm young though.
Yeah, okay.
One of the things that I'm remembering is my father. My father would always tell me, Trey, be a leader, not a follower. He would always tell me that. And I would, I guess I would receive it, but I'm not being shown.
Ah, interesting.
You know.
So, unresolved need to be shown. To
Yeah.
be shown.
Yeah, to be shown, yeah, because I could be told, but if I'm not being shown and I'm being directed,
To
then
be shown and directed. Now, it's very interesting because the whole leadership thing is that you have to show and be and direct, and this is what you're looking for.
yeah.
So it's a great opportunity for shifting. You did well. Thank you. Isn't it interesting how this stuff comes up? So, we're going to address what perspective and behaviors you'd like to change. So the perspective shift
Mhm.
would be, okay, I see myself as
I
a
see
leader.
myself as a leader
Uh-huh.
and as a good friend,
Ah,
great friend
to my team?
to my team,
Okay,
to my team, to myself, to my friends, to my family, to
okay, to myself and everyone.
To everyone,
Okay,
yeah.
great.
um,
So it spans, so this becomes an opportunity for you to be this amazing person, which you kind of already are,
Mhm,
but
just
you
a
wanted to manifest this.
right,
Okay,
and its
good.
fullness.
Yeah, so what behaviors would change if you were a great leader and a great friend to everyone? How would your behavior be different?
I feel like I would communicate a lot more clearly and a lot more without reserve. But when I say without reserve, I still want to say it in a way that they would be more receptive.
Heartfelt?
Heartfelt, yes.
Heartfelt was with heartfelt, with
With heartfelt communication.
okay, clear heartfelt communication.
I would be exemplary and,
Walk your talk.
yeah, walk my talk.
Mhm.
Practice what I preach.
Mhm.
And I wouldn't be as critical of other people's shortcomings because I understand we all got a long way to go.
So what life would be like for you without the problem where you could build a team for you?
Oh man, very flourishing, very vibrant, very moving, very dynamic, very uplifting, empowering, just all the good things. Man. Like, I don't even know what other synonyms I could use for, very progressive,
Nice, nice, wow.
empire-like,
Empire-like.
Yeah, it'll be an empire. It'll be a nation.
Okay.
It'll be a nation of empowerment. It'll be an empowerment nation.
Empowerment Nation. So the thing that I'm picking up really is that to build a team for your business is more than small, more than personal. It actually expands into almost universal proportions.
Yeah.
Now what I like to do is create an empowering statement with you.
Okay. I am an empowering leader.
Okay, that's nice. Imagine what an empowering leader looks like for you. And when you come up with a visualization, as long you need to be in the scene, can be symbolic also. Let me know what you come up with.
It's like a static image, but it's like very powerful. But it's pretty much me holding my son, pointing out into like this horizon at this star.
So you and your son are together,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and you're pointing out to a star,
Mhm.
which somehow has some meaning to both of you.
I don't know what it is at this point.
Well, I'm an empowering leader, so you're showing him something,
We'll wait to the light.
yeah, and you're directing his attention.
He's
So-
smiling.
Good, so I'm going to extend it a little bit, okay?
Okay.
So then you have a group of members, team members, that are just sort of joining you. They're just kind of walking toward you, and they're also looking at the star and feeling the same, kind of the same way you are, that there's a fulfillment in this, and because you're part of this team,
Right.
and your son seems to be part of it too somehow, so that's good. And how are you feeling this?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
It just seems like it's more people becoming added into this picture, though.
Okay.
Like there's a group that is with me right on the edge of the cliff, or whatever I'm at, but there's like a sea of people.
A sea of people.
Mhm.
Interesting. So there's your nation, your universe.
Ah, okay.
So you can then lead. You know, then the leadership part comes in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And they're sort of looking to you for guidance, but they're there also to support you.
Yes. Yes.
Seems good, that's what you're saying.
That's what it feels like. Yep.
Okay, good. You're doing great.
I think it's done.
All right. Great. That was good. How do you feel?
I feel great. I feel high.
All right, fine.
I feel blessed, I'm sorry.
You feel blessed?
I feel
Okay,
blessed,
that's
yeah.
fine. Okay, good, thank you.